Hey there, home decor enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of terrazzo. Terrazzo is a unique flooring material that has been around for centuries, and it's a great addition to any home. Terrazzo is not just a flooring material, but an art form in itself. It's made by mixing chips of marble, glass, or other materials into concrete. This process creates a beautiful and unique pattern that can add a bold statement to any room. The name terrazzo actually comes from the Italian word terrace, which refers to the flat surface on the top floor of a building. This term was used to describe the floors of rooms on higher floors during the late 19th century. While terrazzo is often associated with luxurious buildings like hotels and public spaces, it's becoming more popular in residential homes as well. It's durable, easy to maintain, and can be customized to suit any tour style. So, if you're thinking about giving your home a makeover, consider adding some terrazzo flooring to your space. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more decor tips and tricks.